In front of me is NOKIA C01 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for the second device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear next to your device and hit Forget next to Connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!